If you just bought a new device and you can't figure out how to add Amazon Prime Video, you're not alone. It can be super frustrating, even, when you want to enjoy your favorite shows, but something isn't working. So don't worry yet, don't give up yet. By following a few simple steps, you're going to be watching in no time. Okay, so here we go. First, make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi. This is the key for streaming. Then download the Amazon Prime Video app from the App Store on your device. So whether it's Apple TV, Roku, or even your smart TV. Next, you're going to sign in with your Amazon account. So you don't forget to check that you have an active Prime membership. Now, if you're having trouble, restarting your device or, making sure that the app is updated is a great idea. Sometimes a quick update can really solve the issue. Now, for those using Fire TV Stick, the process is even easier since the app is pre-installed. And if you're on your phone or your tablet, open the Amazon Prime Video app directly and start streaming right away. So now you're all set. If you like this video, if you got some value out of it, leave me a thumbs up, comment something. Thanks for being here. Love you. Ciao.